shocking. Robots are now entering disaster zones before humans. Japan deploys AI-powered rescue robots into earthquake rubble where firefighters cannot reach. They detect heat signatures, scan for breathing, navigate collapsed buildings in seconds. Live data flows back instantly. In dense Indian cities, earthquakes and building collapses trap thousands under debris. Manual rescue takes hours, sometimes minutes to decide survival. AI disaster robotics could save lives, locating survivors faster than human teams. But here's the risk. What if the technology fails during aftershocks? Should India deploy autonomous rescue robots nationwide, or trust only human responders?